on some videos over here. With my day, fanboy here. Okay. Some weird comments that I made, so I'm just gonna censor. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find your YouTube comments on your Android phone. Now this works on both Android and iOS phones because you'll just be needing the YouTube app on your mobile device. So this is pretty easy. First of all, let's head over to our YouTube app. So already I have it up here, and so this is my YouTube home page. It's already playing some videos. So what we need to do is we need to access into our profile so that we can find our comments to past videos, so like the videos that we have already watched. And how you can do that is by going over here on the bottom right corner of your screen. So you click on the U section over there, and then you'll find here some settings that you can do with your channel, or if you don't have a channel, just with your account. But what's important here is the top right corner of the screen, which is this gear icon. You just need to press on that, and then what you need to do is you need to scroll and find manage all history over here. So you just press on that, and then it will send you to your Google account. So here you will be able to manage your Google account, although that's not really the focus this time. So just wait for it to appear, and here we go. We have history, we have the videos that we have watched, the controls, and most especially the interactions. This is the one that we need to click, because here we'll find the video interactions that we have, such as video likes and dislikes, comments and likes and dislikes, comments and replies, live chat messages, and other video interactions. And of course, what we want to see is the comments and replies over here. And as you can see, I have commented on some videos over here. With my day, fanboy here. Okay. Some weird comments that I made, so I'm just gonna censor that and not show it to you guys for the sake of my privacy. Quite embarrassing, but that's it. That is how you can find your own YouTube comments. Make sure that your Google account is logged in here. That is the same account as the YouTube account that you're using. So that's it. That is pretty simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.